How's your day, Steve? What are you doing? A little grooming? It's time to start the day. We're late. We were interrupted. Our slumber was interrupted last night. How about yours? Mosquito just landed on my finger the second I stepped outside. I think that's indicative of what's going to happen today. Mosquitoes. Woke to the sound of thunder. Was a lot of lightning last night. Oh, look at what we have over there. Is that blue sky and sunshine? Yes. It's also raining. So right this second, it's just after 9 o'clock. We have a line of intense thunderstorms stretching from practically Nova Scotia. That lightning we had last night, it's all the way over to Nova Scotia already. Well, I shouldn't say last night. I was awake from about 3:45 to 5:45 with 2 rounds of thunder. And so that line of thunderstorms at the south coast is pushing to the east, so Nantucket Sound is rocking, Nantucket too. And then there's a line of showers without much thunder northwest of Boston. That's supposed to go offshore in a short time. So you want to take a look at the afternoon graphics. 1 o'clock, just a couple of scattered showers around. Thunderstorms are going to develop this afternoon with temperatures in the 80s. The dew point right now is in the 60s. And the grass got a drink of water last night. Dew point in the 60s. And there's a lot of energy aloft. So we're going to have scattered strong to severe thunderstorms. Here's 4 o'clock. Now, there is a line starting to form there from, it looks like, central New Hampshire to northern Massachusetts. Then there will be a line of strong to severe thunderstorms crossing the Massachusetts Turnpike, it looks like, after 4 o'clock. Let's see if I can remember these maps. Then at about 8 o'clock, it looks like south of Boston and even into 9 and 10 o'clock. Buzzards Bay to Cape Cod. Could be some strong to severe storms. So Steve Wright and family and so many going to the Grateful Dead and Company. I guess it's called Dead and Company in Foxborough. And there may be a strong thunderstorm. I mean, it will be gone by 9 o'clock, if not sooner. But are these boats going to collide? Nope, it's not a boat. It's a barge, Tim, and a tea ferry, which I didn't think ran on the weekends. So it's July 2nd. On the how much rain last night, Hartford picked up 0.8 inches of rain, and I don't think I had more than a quarter of an inch here in my garden, and it's time to harvest that guy. He's going into a Independence Day weekend salad. Yes, we're not celebrating July 4th, we're celebrating Independence Day, and it's going to be rocking and rolling, and fireworks tonight are mostly a go. I mean, the sun's already out in northern New England. Tomorrow, the dew point is expected to fall to the 30s. Earlier I said the dew point would be 39 tomorrow. That was the GFS, and I thought it might have been in La La Land, but now the Euro tomorrow, in Boston anyway, has a dew point of 34 with a temperature near 90 tomorrow. That should be hot and Arizona-type weather, although it's not going to be 100. It is going to be a dry heat. The clouds, there may be some instability clouds, especially in southern New England tomorrow, but it looks really nice for our Sunday the 3rd. That's the big party here. And then on Monday the 4th, the front is over New York, and it's going to come in at night, so we're going to be fine, I think, on the 4th. And for fireworks the 4th, don't look like any problems. And then maybe a good amount of rain on Tuesday with some showers and storms, and a little cooler next week. So not only did the thunderstorm surprise me, but also, how about the tropics? What is this? Rather unexpectedly, National Hurricane Center says, Tropical Storm Colin formed over just inland in South Carolina last night. That's going to go well south of New England. If it may hold together, maybe we get some swell from that, but the guidance really doesn't even acknowledge its existence. And as expected, Bonnie is way down there in the southern Caribbean. Really fascinating. Weather pulling a fast one on us. Those thunderstorms, I didn't expect so intense this morning, but we're going to get another round this afternoon. All right. Have a good one. Oh, yeah. I'll leave you with what I did yesterday, testing water quality on the Bass River and the future of new bridges on Bass River and how that may impact water levels. We're actually going to get a study done on inundation in South Dennis and Yarmouthport. It's July, and it's a warm one on Fallens Pond. And the Friends of Bass River are here to do some science. We are going to get a water sample to submit to Coastal Studies. This is the doctor's gate. We've got Tylen and Mark and Tim. A private jet coming into Hyannis. The fun thing about today so far is those are the only people I see on the water, so there are no motorboats going by, so we have an exceptionally calm day. There's our Arthur Walker neighborhood, and here's our new Arthur Walker sampler, Mark Grimison. Mark, want to get us some water? I like the sound effects. Bring it up. We've got the water. And we'll take it over. Whatever you do, don't get Tylen on video. And we'll bring it up there to our station. I think we have a fairly elaborate station set up here. Whoo! Brought all that stuff. TK. All right, so you can just leave it on the ground for a second. So now we begin our testing procedure.
High tide.
So what's those numbers again?
65 feet wider at low tide, 85 feet wider at high tide.
Wow, that's the new railroad bridge. Well, it's bike path bridge.
Right. So when they do replace the Mid-Cape highway bridges, those will be even wider, and then they'll be able to remove a lot of the stone that's underneath the bike trail bridge and match that width. When they replace the Route 28 Bass River Bridge, I think we have 150 pilings there now, and it will probably be 50. So we're going to get more volume coming this way, which we need pretty desperately.
I get it for the
But
water. I
but
totally
storm
get it.
resilience, this water will end up going into Mill Pond and filling the wetlands area, so it has a place to go. But the reality is, water levels are rising. You know, there's nothing we can do about that.
So that's a good point. So right now that water's hitting a dead end and coming back. So maybe it'll be a more gentle,
Gentle flow.
Yes.
hopefully.
Yeah, I really think so. So I've commissioned the Woods Hole Group to develop what they call an inundation map for this entire area, and I will probably have the first draft of that on Tuesday, so we can understand exactly what's going to happen when we open up the Crab Creek Bridge, and understand what's going to happen to the water going further west.
Yeah, we are concerned about the rising levels in here.
But I've been taking pictures every summer for the last 3 summers just to see how much it has.
Sea level rise is real. I worked in Boston Harbor for a long time. I built a marina there, and the number of times water would go up over the edge of the marina and into the parking lots increased over the years I was there pretty dramatically.
Yeah.